I'm Bona and welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make blondies. Blondies are occasionally referred to as blonde brownies. They are made without cocoa powder and aspire to a rich vanilla flavor rather than a deep chocolate one. The ingredients that we need are 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1½ cup of white chocolate, 2 cups of plain flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together the melted butter and brown sugar. Then stir in the eggs. And the vanilla. Now we will sift the flour and the salt. Using a spatula, we will mix in together the flour and the salt into the wet mixture. After the mixture is evenly combined, we will fold in the white chocolate. Now we will grease our baking pan with butter. I am using, by the way, a 9 by 13 inches baking pan. Now we will line this with a parchment paper or a baking paper. We will now transfer our mixture into our baking pan. And we will smoothen it evenly. We will bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the middle is just set. Our blondies are already baked. We will allow it to completely cool before removing it from the pan and before cutting it. And here's our finished product! Look at that! So decadent. It smells so nice. Let's try one. It's so yummy. Its exceptional and chewy butterscotch makes this the best Blondie recipe. And also, it's so simple and quick to make. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the notification for my next video, which is the Filipino fried rolls, or known as torod. Bye!